Hi everyone, I just wanted to show you what I got, one of the things that I got for Christmas for my car. First thing I'm gonna show you is this little cute thing. It's a microfiber cloth. I'm just gonna probably use this for my interior, for my screens. Yeah, it's kind of nice. I love it. It's cute too, actually. Anyway, the main reason why I'm doing this video is to show you what I'm gonna install today. And it's a silicone license plate frame. I saw this on somebody's Instagram, reached out to them, and they told me what the brand was, since I love the look. The reason why I like this is because it is silicone, and that's actually a huge part of it. It's silicone, and over here, if you look at the edges, it's very thin here and on the bottom as well. So I'm really excited about this because it's gonna make my car look cleaner, and there's not gonna be a lot of rust, you know, on the plate, like where the holes are. So I'm really looking forward to installing this today. And as I'm recording this video, I'm at work on a break. I'm just in the car. I'm gonna install it on my other break. This license plate, it shouldn't take more than 5 minutes. But I wanted to show you that it started snowing. It's still, like, as you see, 40 degrees, but it is snowing now. So that's kind of exciting. Even though I have summer tires, I'm still gonna make some videos and have some fun in the parking lot. So hopefully this year we get some snow, so we can all have fun doing donuts. All right, let's get to installation. All right. So I have to take off these bolts, obviously, very simple. I like this frame. This is what I got initially on my other car that I traded in, because it's thin, it's clean. But as you see, because it's metal, it's starting to rust over here. And let me just show you this really quick. This is gonna be much thinner outline, so it's gonna look the way I want it to look, cleaner. Okay, so this is what this looks like. It's all silicone. It's like a sleeve. Really nice. So that's what comes in the bag. And you also have a little bit of hardware necessary to install it. They even give you an Allen key, which is kind of nice. All right, so now it's done. It's a much cleaner look. I like it. It's just the way the light shines over here from this direction, from the left. You can see more of the white here because the light shines over here, as opposed to there's a shade here. So it looks like it's not even, but it is. I think it looks good. I do have some rust spot here. I gotta clean that a little bit better. I tried with a microfiber cloth, but I don't have any cleaning product, just water. But other than that, I like it. It's much cleaner. So yeah, this is my other basic mod. And this is what it looked like. See, there's like some rust over here. Anyway, thanks for watching this video. I know this is a simple modification, but I promise to keep you guys in the loop on all the changes regarding this car. Anything that goes in this car, literally anything, I will document on my channel. Even if I change like tire caps, you know, for the air, I'm gonna let you guys know in the video and on Instagram. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. I post pictures there and more of my daily life with the car and some random things sometimes too. But the next modification I have scheduled for actually January 4th, which is next week, because it's December 28th today, or 27th. Damn, I forgot. But next week I have an appointment and I'm doing a few modifications with the local shop in Schaumburg, Six Star Motorsports, and I am really excited. So yeah, stay tuned for that one, because that's gonna be more major than just the frame on the car. So I'll see you in the next one. Take care.